Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 5th. In previous class, we learned one exercise. Means in the exercise we learned one Roman revision exercise from the revision exercise. Right now we will see second Roman. Write the following number names in numerals. They given the number names by looking or by seeing that we have to convert into the numerals or figures. Understand, children? For this, you need to start from the right side onwards. Means from the smallest place value system you have to start. You know place value system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. By using the tens means place value system process, we have to convert the number names into the numerals place. Okay, right now we'll see. For this you need to write first of all ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, lakhs, and you have to start from the smallest place value system, that is ones, children. See for this, see 22 means in the place of ones we have to write 2. Understand, children? In the place of ones there is a value 2, so we have to write in the ones place 2. Next, coming to the tens place, come to the 20. Okay, 2 into 10, how much? 20. Understand, children? And by combining 22 means 2 into 10, 20, that is in the place of tens value 20, and in the place of ones we have 2, so we have to write 22. See, in the place of tens we have 2, means 2 into 10 how much? 20, plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 how much? 2, 20 plus 2 how much? 22. Next, we have to move to the hundreds place, that is in the place of hundreds we have the value 6. Understand, children? 6 into 100 how much? 600. See, in the place of hundreds we will write the value 6. Next, in the place of thousands, in the place of thousands we have the value 8, means see 8, so we have to write 8 into 1000 how much? 8000. 8 into 1000, 8000. Next, coming to the next 10,000. See, 40. 4 into 10. In the place of 10,000 there is 40. In the place of thousands we have 8. 8 is 8 into 1000 how much? 8000. 8622. Up to here we got the value. But coming to the 40, it is in the place of 10,000s. Means 4 into 10,000 how much? 4 into T means 10. TH means 1000. 10,000. 4 into 10,000, 40,000, means we have to write simply 4. 40, 4 into 10,000, how much? 40,000. And again 8 into 1000, how much? 8,000. 40,000 plus 8,000, we got the value 48,000. Understand, children? Next, largest place value system, that is in this question, lakhs. In the place of lakhs we have the value 9. Okay, we have to write 9. 9 into 1 lakh, how much? 9 lakhs. See, we got 9 lakhs 48,000. We have to combine, means because 40,000 plus 8,000, we don't want to say like that as children. So we have to combine 10,000s and thousands. If we have another value, then we will get the 10 lakhs. But here there is no 10 lakhs. Understand, children? So we have to start up to lakhs. 9 lakh 48,622 we got. Next one we'll see, next Roman. Okay, children, right now we'll see Roman number 3, that is write the following numbers in expanded form. Okay, they given the number, we have to expand it. Understand what is expanded? Means here the number is 45,625. We know that. But by utilizing the place value system, for each and every place value, means for tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, we have to expand it. Understand, children? We have to expand it with each and every value. See, we will see right now place value system, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, see children, by utilizing the procedure of place value system, we have to expand each and every value of the number. We have to start from the big digits, means that is nothing from 10,000. See, in the place of 10,000 there, what is the value? 4. In the place of 10,000 we have the value 4. Means 4 into 10,000, how much? 40,000. Then coming to the next digit, in the place of thousands we have the value 5. So 5 into 1000, how much? 5,000. Next, in the place of hundreds we have the value 6. 6 into 100, how much? 600. 6 into 100, 600. Then in the place of tens we have the value 2. 2 into 10, how much? 20. Next, in the place of ones we have the value 5. 5 into 1, how much? 5. See, we have to expand like this by using the given number for each and every digit in the form of place value. In the place of 10,000s we have 4. So 4 into 10,000s, 40,000. And in the place of thousands we have the value 5. 5 into 1000, how much? 5,000. And in the place of hundreds we have value 6. 6 into 100, 600. And in the place of tens we have the value 2. 2 into 10, how much? 20. And in the place of ones we have the value 5. 5 into 1, 5. Okay, we'll see the fourth Roman. Write the place value of 9 in each of the following. Write the place value of 9 in each of the following. Okay children, write the place value of 9 in each of the following. Means they will give a certain number. In that certain number we have to find the value 9. Understand? And we have, after finding the number 9 in which of the following place value system, we have to count them. Understand children? See, for this we will write the number, that is 9,64,250. Okay, they are given the number 9,64,250. Then we have to see, they mentioned already, write the place value of 9. Only 9. Only the number 9 we have to write for this place value. You know, place value and face value. Understand? Place value means that is recurring digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like that. In each of the following means see, in the place of ones we does not have any 9 value. In the place of tens we does not have 9. Here 5. In the place of hundreds we don't have any 9. Here it is 2. And in the place of thousands we have the value 4, and it is not 9 at all. In the place of 10,000s we have the value 6. And in the place of lakhs we have the 9. They said already, write the place value of 9 in each of the following number. Understand? This is a number and we identify the number 9. It is in the place of lakhs. So we have to write the place value of just only 9. See, 9. 9 into 1, how much? 9 lakhs. See, that we have to write like this. This is the place value of 9 in this number. Understand children? In this total number, the 9 is in the place of lakh, 9 lakhs. So we have to write in expanded form of only this number, 9 into lakh, 1 lakh, 9 lakhs. We'll see one more example children. See, this is one more example. Say, write the place value of 9, only the number 9. We have to find the number 9 and we have to write according to the place value which term it denotes. Means thousands or hundreds or 10,000s. We have to denote or determine like that. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. In the place of ones there is no 9. In the place of tens, no. In the place of hundreds, there is a value 2. But in the place of thousands, we have the value 9. Understand? There are no more 9 digits. No, there are no more 9 numbers. So, in the place of 1000, we have the value 9. See, we have to write 9 into 1000. How much? 9 into 1000? 9000. Remaining hundreds, tens, ones are zeros, because 9 into 1 how much? 9. And 1000, we have to add 1000. 9 into 1000, 9000. Understand, children? Like this, we have to identify the only number 9. They ask only 9. If they ask 8 number 8, then you have to identify 8 and you have to write the particular place value of 8. But here they ask only number 9. Understand, children? Next class we will see the successor and predecessor of the numbers. Understand, children? Thank you.